Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I hate to report on this. I hate to see this happening, but a couple of days ago, the people at SDR Play, who make those fabulous, I really like them, SDR radios. And they're, as far as I'm concerned, they're the best buy for your buck. Well, they've reported that there are companies putting out fake devices, and right here they say on their website they won't work with all of their software. And they come down here, only buy from trusted resellers, because there are resellers, like in the United States there's a reseller that sells their devices, but now these resellers on the internet are selling counterfeit devices, and they look very much alike, but they're not going to work right. You won't get your money back, and they say these counterfeit devices attempt to make use of the stolen IP and the stolen software. And in addition, the counterfeiters have no access to our rigorous production test solution, and so these devices are probably untested. And here is what one AliExpress customer posted, and you can read this. So be careful. I believe they have on their website, and let me see if I can find it. I think they have a list of their approved dealers, and there's one in the United States. Let me see if I can find it. Well, I can't find it, but I'm pretty sure it's on here someplace. Let me see if I can. Home products, purchase, resellers. Here we go. So here's their distributors and resellers. In the United States is down here. So it's got quite a few of them. United States, ham radio store. That's UK. So the ham radio store, HRO, is a dedicated, sponsored distributor. So you want to get your radio. If you don't get it from them directly, I got mine from them directly. Here are places you can get them and be assured that you're getting the real thing. Sorry to report that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.